the distinction between normal English and advanced English can be quite significant. Usage contexts. Normal English is generally adequate for tourists, casual learners, everyday business, and social interactions. Advanced English is beneficial for academics, professionals in specialized fields, researchers, and those engaged in high-level intellectual discussions. Examples. Normal English sentence. He asked for a raise because he needs more money. Advanced English sentence. He petitioned for an adjustment to his remuneration package to reflect the increased cost of living and his augmented responsibilities. In the advanced example, note the use of more formal vocabulary, petitioned for an adjustment to his remuneration package, instead of asked for a raise, and the more detailed explanation that adds depth and context. Here are some practical steps that a learner can take to elevate their command of English from a basic or intermediate level to an advanced level. 1. Expand your vocabulary. Read widely. Reading a variety of genres, including classics, non-fiction, scientific journals, and contemporary literature, can introduce you to a broader vocabulary. Use a thesaurus. Regularly use a thesaurus to find synonyms and expand your word choice. Learn roots and affixes. Understanding the roots of words, prefixes, and suffixes can help you deduce the meaning of new words and build your vocabulary. 2. Master advanced grammar structures. Invest time in studying advanced grammar concepts, such as complex tenses, passive voice, conditional sentences, and subordinate clauses. Books and advanced grammar courses can be very helpful. Practice writing. Regularly write essays, reports, or journals. Seek feedback from teachers or peers to improve your grammatical accuracy and complexity. Language workshops. Participate in workshops or language classes that focus specifically on advanced English usage. 3. Understand and use nuanced expressions. Idioms and phrases. Learn and start incorporating idioms, phrasal verbs, and colloquial expressions into your speaking and writing. Understanding these can add color and depth to your English. Listen to native speakers. Listening to podcasts, watching movies, or engaging in conversations with native speakers can help you understand contextual and idiomatic usage of phrases. 4. Engage with complex materials. Academic journals and papers. Regular reading of academic materials can introduce you to formal and technical language usage. Critical analysis. Engage in critical analysis of texts, which involves not just understanding the content, but also being able to discuss the author's methodology, the implications of the work, and synthesizing this with other knowledge. Debates and discussions. Participate in debates or in-depth discussions on complex subjects. This practice can improve both your understanding and your ability to express complex ideas clearly. 5. Practice advanced listening and speaking. Interactive conversations. Engage in discussions on complex topics with others. This could be in a formal setting like seminars or informally with friends who are also interested in improving their English. Speeches and presentations. Listen to speeches and presentations that challenge your understanding. Try to replicate this style in your presentations. 6. Consistent feedback and self-reflection. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from proficient English users can provide insights into areas of improvement, especially in pronunciation, grammar, and usage. Self-evaluate. Frequently assess your progress and identify areas where you need more practice or new strategies. 7. Cultural immersion. Cultural understanding. Advanced understanding often requires knowledge of the cultural nuances that influence language. Engaging with cultural products and practices can enhance this. Travel or study abroad. Immersion in an English-speaking environment can be one of the fastest ways to improve your fluency and grasp of nuanced English. Conclusion. Becoming an advanced English user is a gradual process that involves deliberate practice and exposure across all facets of the language. By systematically expanding your vocabulary, mastering complex grammar, and immersing yourself in environments where advanced English is used, you can elevate your proficiency significantly.